What does exhausted mean? 1. Very excited. 2. Very tired. 3. Very angry. Very tired. What does confident mean? 1. Confused. 2. Nervous. 3. Sure of yourself. Sure of yourself. What does lazy mean? 1. Active. 2. Not wanting to work. 3. Very busy. Not wanting to work. What does quiet mean? 1. Noisy. 2. Calm and silent. 3. Angry. Calm and silent. What does brave mean? 1. Afraid. 2. Showing courage. 3. Angry. Showing courage. What does careless mean? 1. Not careful. 2. Very careful. 3. Happy. Not careful. What does improve mean? 1. To make better. 2. To destroy. 3. To forget. To make better. What does success mean? 1. Failure. 2. Achievement. 3. Mistake. Achievement. What does reliable mean? 1. Can be trusted. 2. Always late. 3. Very nervous. Can be trusted. What does achieve mean? 1. To fail. 2. To reach a goal. 3. To forget. To reach a goal.